In this short presentation, I'm going to show you how to add passengers, how to add their details, their dietary preferences, their height, if they rent a bike, also who they want to share with, if there is several room, and to designate lead passenger. So first of all, go to CaminoWays.com and click login on the top right, the little icon, the little man icon there. Then put your email address and click on continue. Now you are in My Trips and My Account. So you're gonna just select the booking that you want to open and look at. So I'm going to use for this example the first one on my list and click on See Detail Editor Pay. I'm going to scroll down past the itinerary, the price, the payment, and I arrive at the rooming list and add traveler's name. I'm gonna put myself as the first travelers, my email address, and my phone number, my height. As I said earlier, it's only useful if you are renting a bike with us. The dietary, so no gluten, and comment I'm going to share with my wife Fiona. So I am an adult. Now I will be also the lead passenger, and I click on save. Now you have a confirmation straight away from the website saying that you've added a traveler here. So I'm going now to add Fiona here. I'm going to add her email address. I'm going to add her mobile phone and her height there. Dietary, she has no specific dietary, and she will share with me, Roland. Now she's also an adult, and I'm gonna click on save. Now, the second adult is added, and if you scroll down, you see this table that tells you who is in the itinerary. So we have Roland Montague, adult, no gluten, 175, sharing with Fiona, I'm the lead passenger, etc. Fiona is just there right below. Note that you cannot edit this table. We need to do it for you. So if you want to make a change, you need to click on the contact us and send us a message. Thank you very much.